Some news just coming in. Let's go straight to that. UP Deputy Chief Minister is backing Uniform Civil Code. Uniform Civil Code required for Uttar Pradesh and the nation. UP government considering implementing Uniform Civil Code. UCC should be implemented in BJP rule states. Everyone should welcome the demand of the UCC.
देश में एक कानून सबके लिए हो, इसकी आवश्यकता है। किसी के लिए कुछ हो, किसी के लिए कुछ हो, इससे बाहर निकल करके मैं समझता हूँ सोचने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। और उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार भी इस दिशा में गंभीरता से विचार कर रही है। और जिस प्रकार से उत्तराखंड सरकार ने अपने कदम बढ़ाए, उसी प्रकार से उत्तर प्रदेश सहित, जैसा माननीय गृह मंत्री जी ने कहा है, देश के अन्य राज्यों में भी जहां भाजपा की सरकार है वहां भी, और जहां गैर भाजपा सरकारें हैं, अगर सबका साथ सबका विकास, सबके लिए एक जैसा कॉमन सिविल कोड, ये तो एक ऐसी चीज है जिसका सबको मांग करनी चाहिए, सबको स्वागत करना चाहिए।
Interesting developments there. Abhishek is getting us more on that story. Abhishek, what is your understanding of the statement that has been made by the UP Deputy Chief Minister? Elections are not round the corner in Uttar Pradesh, for we can't really dismiss this as rhetoric. He's categorically said that the UP government is contemplating on Uniform Civil Code. Given the sensitivities involved and knowing how controversial this topic can be, the subject, a discussion on this is now starting from Uttar Pradesh. Yogi Adityanath, Uttar Pradesh.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. And with this statement, Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya has a clear indication that UP government is also keen on this particular issue. We have seen how Amit Shah yesterday in Bhopal has given this statement. He made it very clear that the government will think over it and will start the process starting from Uttarakhand and all other states where the BJP is in power. And Keshav Prasad Maurya supporting the statement, at the same time talking about it, give us an indication that the UP government is also very keen and the proceeding will start eventually. It is also very important that earlier also the government has been very vocal about it, and that has been agenda and a priority for the Yogi Adityanath government and for the party as well during the elections as well. But on the other hand, opposition has been raising a lot of questions. The Congress party and the Samajwadi has again hit back at the BJP, saying that they're trying to deviate the attention from the core issues, be it inflation, unemployment and other factors which are prevailing in the state. But the BJP is very clear with their agenda, and Uniform Civil Code is something which is on the priority, and now the UP government is also will eventually take further step towards it. Yes.
Abhishek Mishra, I'm thanking you for the moment. We'll come back to you for more on that.